Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in the day 378, and as we were discussing regarding significant AI tools for researchers, so we'll talk about PaperPal today. So this is a very great platform for the researchers to harness. Now, you can see that it's written that AI brings out the best in you. So, if you want to bring out the best from you, you have to harness the features. Just see the features: grammar checker, paraphraser, AI essay writer, plagiarism checker, AI detection, paper checker, citation generation, chat with PDF, AI writing assistant, AI summarizer, AI reference finder, AI proofreader, AI translator also. Now, these many people can harness: researchers, students, universities, publishers, or life sciences. You can use it in that. If you want, you can use the resources available. Okay, and if you want the advanced features, you can go for the upgraded version. Okay, you can subscribe that. Now let's sign in. After sign in, you will be redirected to this web page. This is the home page of PaperPal. So you can see the features. Okay, chat with PDF, plagiarism. Now these all features are available here. You can see. So just you have to upload your file, and at one click you can just check the plagiarism, AI detection, and grammar check. So these three things could be done at one click. You can see the apps here. Now, PaperPal for manuscript, what all you can do for your manuscript, can have a look. Now, if you scroll down, you can just see the plans also, free plans. Okay, hope you all have understood these features. So, harness these features. And one thing more, I have prepared one video uh, in which I have explained PaperPal in details. So I'll drop the link in the comment box. Kindly go through that. I have explained each and every feature in details. So you will get to understand PaperPal in full details. So if you have any confusion, you can ask me. Work hard. Thanks a lot.